Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to break down Shakira's motivational song Try Everything. We'll look at the vocabulary, tenses, grammar, and expressions. Let's dive into the lyrics and see what we can learn. The song starts with the refrain, which is a simple to create rhythm and emotion. Then, we have verse 1. I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. But I always get up now to see what's next. Let's start with the first line. I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. Messed up. This is a phrasal verb meaning to make a mistake or do something wrong. It's in the past tense here, indicating the mistake happened in the past. Lost another fight. Lost is the past tense of lose, which refers to being defeated. Another indicates that this isn't the first time it happened. Fight means competition or struggle. Next, I still mess up, but I'll just start again. Still shows that the action is ongoing in the present. Mess up is in the present tense here. I'll just start again. I'll is a contraction of I will, which is the future tense, showing determination to keep going despite mistakes. Then, I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. Keep falling down. The verb keep followed by an ing form gerund shows repeated action. Falling down means to physically or metaphorically fail. Hitting the ground is a metaphor for facing setbacks or difficulties. The next line is, but I always get up now to see what's next. Get up, a phrasal verb meaning to rise after falling. Always indicates this is a regular or habitual action. To see what's next, this phrase shows a forward-looking attitude, wanting to know what challenges or opportunities come next. Then, Shakira says in the pre-chorus, birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. In the pre-chorus, we start with birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Don't just fly, the present simple tense don't do not, is used here to indicate a general truth, just means only or merely. They fall down and get up. This suggests that setbacks and failures are inevitable, but what's important is the ability to recover. Next, nobody learns without getting it wrong. Nobody learns. This is in the present simple tense, showing a general fact. Learns means to gain knowledge or skills. Getting it wrong means making mistakes. This phrase emphasizes that mistakes are part of the learning process. Next, we have the chorus. I won't give up. No, I won't give in. Till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I want to try everything. I want to try even though I could fail. In the chorus, I won't give up. No, I won't give in. Won't, a contraction of will not, showing a strong determination not to do something. Give up and give in, both are phrasal verbs. Give up means to stop trying, while give in means to surrender. Next, till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. Till, short for until, showing when something will happen. Reach the end, means to arrive at a final point or goal. I'll start again, shows persistence. I will in future tense again indicates determination. Then, no, I won't leave, I want to try everything. Won't leave, again, won't will not shows refusal to give up. Wanna, informal contraction of want to. Try everything means to attempt every possible option. Finally, I want to try even though I could fail. Even though, a conjunction showing contrast, meaning despite the possibility. I could fail. Could is a modal verb indicating possibility, and fail means to not succeed. Verse 2. Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. Don't need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. In look how far you've come, look is an imperative verb, giving a command to observe progress. The phrase you've come uses the present perfect tense to show progress made up to now. The next part, you filled your heart with love, uses filled, which means to occupy space completely with something, often referring to emotions or experiences. Heart represents one's emotions, feelings, or inner self. Loved, a profound emotional connection or affection, often guiding one's actions and decisions. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Here, enough indicates that the amount or quality of something is adequate for a purpose or need. Deep breath is a technique used to calm oneself, suggesting a moment of relaxation or pause. The phrase is an imperative, advising to relax, which uses the imperative mood to give a direct command. Don't beat yourself up. Don't need to run so fast. Beat yourself up means to be excessively critical or harsh towards oneself, usually after a mistake. In addition, run so fast means to move quickly or hurry, implying a sense of urgency or impatience. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. Sometimes refers to occasional occurrences rather than a consistent pattern. And come last indicates being in the final position, often in a competition or effort. Did our best refers to putting in the maximum effort possible, acknowledging that the outcome is not always within one's control. Now let's move on to the next set of lines. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day, those new mistakes. Now, let's explore I'll keep on making those new mistakes. Keep on means to continue doing something without stopping. Making refers to creating or producing something. New mistakes indicates errors or faults that are newly encountered or different from past ones. Moving on to I'll keep on making them every day. Every day means daily, without exception. Then, we have the outro, try everything. Try means to make an effort to do something. Thanks for watching today's lesson. Remember, learning English is a journey, and just like in Shakira's song, try everything. It's important to keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. So, don't give up, don't give in, keep practicing, making those new mistakes, and learning every day. Every word, every sentence you learn, brings you closer to reaching your goals. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Don't forget to share your favorite part of Try Everything in the comments below. Until next time, keep trying everything and keep learning.